Okay, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to record vocals over the pre-recorded Docapella click track for the national anthem. So we're going to go to our Finder and find the application Garageband. You're going to click on that. Wait for it to load up. It's going to pull up this screen, empty project. You're just going to select empty project and then choose. And this screen will come up. You're going to select your track type, which you're going to select this microphone where it says audio. You're going to check your input, make sure it's set to input 1. Then it's going to say your instrument is connected with, mine's Scarlett, but you're going to select your USB microphone and then click create. And then this section of the DAW is going to come up. And at this point, we're going to pull up our pre-recorded click track. You're going to go to downloads, click Docapella click. And then bring in this MP3 and you're just going to click and drag it into the timeline and put it right at the start. So you're going to move it all the way to the left of the timeline. And for this part, you're just going to make sure that it plays properly. So you're going to click on that play symbol up in the top, or you can use spacebar like I did. We had to click on, so we're going to turn that metronome off because that's the one that GarageBand supplies. We're also going to turn that 1, 2, 3, 4, that's just a count, and we're going to turn that off. Click play. And at this point, the Docapella click seems to be working. You can hear it in your headphones. You can hear the vocals come in. We're going to stop it there. So now it's time to start recording the vocals. You're going to go up to preferences. And you're going to select audio/MIDI. Make sure your input and output, they're set to, the input's going to be set to the microphone that you're using, so your USB microphone. And your output can be just system preferences or whatever allows you to hear through your headphones. So that's dependent on the headphones you're using. I'm going to click stop to go all the way back. Make sure this orange icon is on in audio 1. That's going to allow you to record and hear yourself. Now when we click the record button, which is this red dot, it's going to start recording and you're going to clap right there where I said the word clap. And then you'll begin your vocal performance. Oh, say can you see why the dawn's early light? And you're going to sing your entire part. So we're going to stop once you're recording. Don't stop where I stopped. Start at the very end of the song. When it's all done, you're going to go through. Looks good. And then to export your project, you're going to double click in that empty dark space and mute the Docapella click track. That's that blue speaker button with the line through it. Make sure to bring the timeline all the way back using that arrow to the left. You're going to go to share and export song to disk. And we're going to save our file as Docapella. And after you have Docapella typed in, you can just put a dash and then put your name in so we know who the recording is from. And then whatever part you are. So if you're the soprano line, the tenor line, or the bass line, you'll put that there. Make sure it's a WAV file. You're going to want that to be uncompressed 24-bit. And then you will just export your file. And then you can send that to Caitlin or I, and we will assemble it later in the mixing process.